Hello again, friends! I have a secret to tell you today. Did you know that I love apples? Look at this! I have 10 apples in my basket. I think this is too many apples even for me to eat. Maybe I should share them with my friends. I'm sure they would love some juicy apples. Yes, that's what I'll do. I'll drive over to my friend's house today and share my apples. Do you want to come with me? Come on, let's go. I think I will give apples to my friends Lisa, Hippo, Cat, and Dog. They love apples, and I'm so excited to share my presents with them. Sharing is so fun. If I give one of my 10 apples to each of my friends Lisa, Hippo, Cat, and Dog, how many apples will I have left? That's 1 apple for Lisa, 1 for Hippo, 1 for Cat, and 1 for Dog. From our last lesson in addition, we know that this means I will give away 4 apples in total. To find this out, let's use subtraction. Subtraction is what we use when we take away something. For me, I will subtract 4 apples from my 10 apples to give to my dear friends. So, how many apples will I have left after I take away 4 of the 10 apples? That's right, I'll have 6 apples left. We can also look at subtraction in this form. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 10 is the number of apples I have now. 4 is the number of apples I will share with my friends. 6 is how many I will have left after. Do you know what that funny line is between 10 and 4? That's called the minus sign. That's what we write down when we do subtraction. We put it between the number of things we have and the number of things we are taking away. So when we say 10 minus 4, that means we will take away or subtract 4 from 10. Do you remember what these 2 lines are? That's the equal sign. We use that to show that the numbers on the right and its left side are the same. So, when we say 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, we are saying that 10 minus 4 is the same as 6. What if I give away 1 more apple to my friend Parrot? How many apples will I have left? Let's use subtraction to find out. If I take away 1 more apple from my 6 apples, I will have 6 minus 1 apples left. How many is that? That's right! I'll have 5 apples left. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Just remember, subtraction means we are taking something away. I subtracted from my apples every time I gave 1 away. After I share with all my friends, I'll still have 5 apples to eat. Yummy! I'm sure my friends will be very happy to eat these delicious apples with me. I'm almost at their house. Gotta go! Bye! And thanks for learning with me. Thank you for joining us in this episode of Ride Along Learning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to I Am Learning to join us on our next adventures. Bye! That's 1 apple for Lisa. How many apples will I have left after That's... Ano? Wala ako.